everybody. How are you children? How are you? Fine? Very good. Yes. Look children. Who is this? Who is this? Do you know? And who is this? And look, there is another ant. Do you like? Yes. How many ants are here? How many ants? How many ants? 1, 2. How many ants? 2 ants. How many ants? 2 ants. Okay. Are they same size? Are they same size? No. One ant is big. The other ant is small. One ant is big. The other ant is small. അവർക്ക് നിങ്ങളോട് എന്തോ പറയാനുണ്ടെന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് കേൾക്കണേ. I am Ben. I am big. I am Sen. I am small. Do you understand? ഒന്നുകൂടി പറയാന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണേ. I am Ben. I am big. I am Sen. I am small. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Who is big? Who is big? Big ant is Ben. Big ant is Ben. Who is small? Small ant is Sen. Small ant is Sen. Who is big? Who is big? Big ant is Ben. Who is small? Small ant is Sen. Okay. There is a song about Ben and Sen. Do you like rhymes? Do you like? Okay, very good. Are you ready to sing with me? Okay, very good. Ready? Ben, Ben, Ben. Ben is big. Sen, Sen, Sen. Sen is small. Ben, Ben, Ben. Ben is big. Sen, Sen, Sen. Sen is small. Okay? Yes, look here. Look. How many ants are here? How many ants? 2 ants. How many ants? 1, 2. How many ants? 1, 2. 2 ants. 2 ants. Okay. Who is big? Who is big? Big ant is Ben. Who is big? Big ant is Ben. Who is small? Small ant is Sen. Who is small? Small ant is Sen. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. Yes, look this. Who is this? Who is this? Ben. Who is this? Ben. Listen. Ben, Ben, Ben. Ben is big. Ben, Ben, Ben. Ben is big. Who is this? Sen. Sen, Sen, Sen. Sen is small. Sen, Sen, Sen. Sen is small. Okay. Do you know how to draw an ant? No? Don't worry. I will teach you. Yes. What is this? This is a circle. Okay. This is a circle. Another circle. Draw. Touching with this. Okay. Once more. Okay. How many circles are here? How many circles? 1, 2, 3. How many circles? 3 circles. Okay. Now we want to draw eyes. How many eyes does an ant have? 1, 2. How many eyes? 2 ants. 1 mouth. Okay. What is this? Antenna. What is this? Antenna. How many antenna does an ant have? 1, 2. How many antenna? 2 antenna. Very good. Yes, what is this? What is this? Legs. How many legs does an ant have? Do you know how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many legs? 6 legs. Okay. Then color it. Then color. Okay. And write ant. What is the spelling of ant? A N T. Ant. A N T. Ant. Is it beautiful? Okay, very good.